Task 3.10 User Control. For this task, it doesn't relate to any accounting transaction, but we only will show you how you can actually do the access right for your own employee. So to do the access right, what you need to do is you need to click on the general maintenance, and after that you need to go to the user maintenance. Currently we only have two users. First is admin and the second one is AOTG. So we can just ignore the AOTG, and for the admin, we are the admin of the AutoCount system. So to create a new user for our new employee, for example, where you need to click on the add new user. So for the info of new user, you can refer to task 3.10, which is the user login ID is user. The username is new user, and there is no info on the department, and password is user as well. So you just confirm password, and then for the password age, if you choose password never expire, it means that your employee will be using the same password for the rest of the time. But if you choose password expired after certain days, then every certain days that you set up here, you will need to change the password. So you can actually fill in the email address as well, and then you can actually click on the signature if you have. So then the network user tab, you can choose either full system, account only, or stock only. So for example, we give full system, but in our access right later, we will choose certain certain entry only that the user can actually see. So I click on save button. So currently we have the new user of the user. So to give an access right for this user, what we need to do is we need to go to the left right and click on the access right. So after you click on the access right, you can see there's a one description AutoCount accounting. What you need to do, click on the plus sign to expand it. So here you can see there's a few category under AutoCount accounting. There is a GL, AR, AP, invoicing, stock, until import and export. So you can refer to the course book. The first access right that we want to give to this user is account receivable. So what you need to do is you need to highlight the account receivable, and you need to click on the plus sign to expand it. So under account receivable, you can see there's a few sub here. So this is all the entry that we want to give an access right for the user. So what is the next thing to do is to go to the right side. You can see there's a one set group access right. So click on this set group access right. What you need to do is you need to scroll until you find the user, the new user that you already create just now. So here under their name, you need to select to add. So when you click select to add, you need to click on the OK button. It will say apply this setting to all sub comments. Yes. So it will actually apply to all the sub for the access right. So basically this new user, they can do everything that in the account receivable. Okay, so that is the first access right that we give. The second one, the second access right that we want to give is only backup. So basically backup is under tools, so you have to scroll down and find tools here. So you highlight tools and then you expand it. So under tools, there's a few sub, but we only want to give backup. So you need to highlight backup and then you need to expand it. The same step, you have to go to the right side, set group, and then you need to find user and add. After that, you just click OK. Apply this setting to all subcommands. Yes. So you can see the user already add on in the backup. Okay, the last one, the access right that we need to give to the user is cache book entry. But there is a in bracket there, except delete cache transaction. So we need to do the cache book entry first. First step, we give everything access right to the cache book. So what we can do is we find cache book entry. So in AutoCount, cache book entry is under general ledger. So we highlight general ledger and we highlight cache book entry and expand it. So you can see under cache book entry we have show, open, create, until, can change document, no format. So we give everything access right first. So what you can do, go to the right side, set group access right, scroll down and then you click on add button, and after that you click OK. Apply this setting to all subcommands. Yes. After you apply, you can see all user can do, but actually we want to give that this user cannot delete the cache transaction. So what we can do is we need to highlight this delete cache transaction and go to the right side, untick user, and you have to click apply. So you can see the user can do everything except delete. So how you can actually check whether you already give an access right or not is very simple. You can close from everything and you can go to log in to new account book. You can actually log in as user. So for example, when I log in as user, when I click on GL, I can only see cache book entry. But if I become an admin, I can see everything. So when I click on AR, I can see everything because the admin already give an access right for the user to do all the things that related to AR. But when I click in AP, doesn't appear anything because the admin doesn't give the access right for the AP. General maintenance as well. Tools, I can only do backup. Other than that, I cannot do. So that's how you can actually check whether you give the access right or not to your user. So I log in again to the admin and admin. So after you have done, what you need to do for task 3.11 is backup. So to do backup, you just do the same as the previous chapter. So you have to go to tools and backup. So what I need to do now is to change the backup file name to backup task 3.11. And for this folder, I want to remain the same, so I don't have to change. I just need to click on the backup tool. After that, I have to wait for a few seconds. And after I got the message, I just click OK and I just close from the backup.